Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan once again in front of you from Milkyway Art Design. I'm going to do another straight pour on top of bottle bottom, and my canvas size today is 18 by 24, so I'm using 16 ounces of paint. So I have 6 colors with me today, so probably each color I'm going to pour in between, somewhere in between 2 to 3 ounces. And I'll start with black, not too much, because I don't want too much black on my paint today. And from there I'm using light blue, darks as in purple, cerulean blue, phthalo blue, and 24 karat gold, of course, because I have to use metallic in my paint. Notice, you can see I am pouring my paint from a little higher because I want my paints to be mixed with each other to create a beautiful effect. At the end I am pouring my 24 karat gold, and I am also layering it on the top as well. Here I am mixing black, actually diluting black, because I want this to cover my base when I pour my paint, so my paint can slide easily on the canvas. I'm just layering some black paint on top of my canvas. I'll later on spray around, so only reason for that is for my plain paint to slide. When I cut my bottle, it was not perfectly labeled, but the effect I'm getting because of its imperfection, I'm loving them, so I keep on using the same plastic bottle bottom. See how pretty it looks with the metallic color and all the blues, tiny bit of gold in the middle, and I added some black. So here's the twist I'm going to do today, and I love the effect what I got out of this. Look how pretty it looks. I apologize for my camera because it was not centered. I have to come up with a better solution for this because at this point I'm working on my kitchen table. See how gorgeous it looks. Now I am just focusing on composition. It already looks really pretty. I'm just trying to balance it a little, and I know I have too much paint on my canvas as of now, so I was working on getting rid of some of those paints. Now it's 15 minutes later. You can see all those gold cells that I got on the sides, and I felt like I wanted to add some extra gold in the middle of the paint, so I started to do some balloon smash using my high flow paint. I'm here using the gold and the copper color together, and the effect that I got out of them was gorgeous. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe, and if you like it, give it a like. And now you can see my dried paint.